Hi, I'm Kristen, a thesis dissertation consultant at CCE. Today I want to share some tips for avoiding common formatting errors in your thesis or dissertation. The first tip is to use the resources available on the CCE website. Start by downloading your thesis dissertation template files. There are different templates depending on whether your thesis or dissertation contains articles that will be or have been published in academic journals. We also have templates for those who use LaTeX. Once you download your template, you should use it consistently for drafting, rather than pasting text from another document into the template. The second tip is to focus on formatting your title page. The template contains instructions for creating a formatted title page, such as selecting either thesis or dissertation throughout, and updating your name in the author section and the copyright statement. You should also pay attention to the names listed in your program of study committee. Do not include salutations such as doctor. Also, be sure to designate the first member as your major professor or the first two as co-major professors. The next tip is to make sure your headings are consistent. For those using a traditional format, you should have each heading level consistent throughout the entire thesis or dissertation. This means that all second-level headings look alike, all third-level headings look alike, and so on. For those using a journal-style format, headings must be consistent within each chapter. Using the downloadable template will make this a breeze because you can use the pre-designed heading styles in the Styles menu. The fourth tip is to make sure each chapter is formatted correctly in your journal-style thesis or dissertation. For each chapter, you will need to include a modified from statement. That is, a statement that says the chapter is modified from an article published in or to be submitted to a certain journal. Include this statement even if you have not yet submitted your chapter for publication. For journal-style theses and dissertations, each chapter must have its own references or works cited section. If there are any appendices, they belong at the end of the chapter, not at the end of the thesis or dissertation. The last chapter in a journal-style thesis or dissertation should be general conclusions. The last tip is to focus on the pagination, specifically with your body paragraphs. For any paragraph that spans a page break, at least 2 lines of text must appear on each page. In other words, you cannot have 1 line of text at the bottom of a page or the top of a page. Using the template, highlight all of your body paragraphs, and then, in the Styles menu, click Body. This formats the paragraph as a body paragraph, and automatically adjusts the position of paragraphs to prevent page breaks that strand single lines of text at the top or bottom of the page. In the paragraph formatting window, this is called widow-orphan control. Thanks for watching, and be sure to keep your eye out for more helpful tips in our CCE newsletter.